Welcome to this video that demonstrates how to make a card celebrating a new baby and congratulating a new family. If you look closely, you'll see that I sketched out the shapes before I drew because this makes it easier for me to get the right proportions and to make sure that all the objects on the paper are in the place I would like them to be. I did make several minor adjustments to the shape of the bird and the bib and the onesie and the teddy bear, as well as adjusting where the word congratulations was at the bottom. So as you can see, it made a big difference for me to just sketch before I actually got out the Sharpie. Now, there are times that I just go and draw straight with a Sharpie, and that is fun too, and I think it's a great practice. But for me, it was just easier to sketch out this way because I had something in mind specifically. It was particularly helpful to sketch the word congratulations first because I have a tendency for my word to go up a little and then back down. And also the first couple tries, I did notice that it was sort of running off the end of the page and I wanted that word to be centered. Funny, you may notice that I accidentally crossed the L instead of the T the first time. I had written it down originally, but I fixed that up as I went. And that is one great thing about sketching too. Not only can you make adjustments while you sketch, but when you go and trace over it eventually, then you can make adjustments as you go there too. Now, I love to make birds singing with little hearts for notes coming out, and they're singing love to the mom and to the baby and to the whole family in the joy of this situation. A couple of things that I noticed when I was coloring is I did use the Tombow pens, so I'm trying to be very careful not to make a lot of darker and lighter spots. A lot of times I just make sure I use parallel lines with those Tombow pens, but with this it was tricky because they were small spaces. Also, next time I think I would color the light colors first and then fill in the dark afterwards because I had a little bit of bleeding from the red onto the yellow. I hope you had fun today and maybe got some ideas for a card or something else that you are planning to draw. If so, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again next time.